wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best drone cars. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Mattel Hot Wheels Skyshock is a capable toy suitable for both kids and adults. It climbs quickly and is easy to use, and it's enjoyable, but it may falter a bit once it takes flight. Anti-interference technology allows up to 6 players to race simultaneously. It features a push-button transformation, however it needs lots of room for takeoff, and batteries are not included. At number 7, the Protocol Terracopter Evo turns your smartphone into both a controller and a real-time viewing platform. The unit's built-in camera can stream video to your iOS or Android device, allowing you to enjoy a first-person flying experience from the safety of the ground. It comes with an onboard altitude sensor and a VR headset, but it's a bit overpriced for a mediocre performance. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the SYX25 has an automatic return key, so the vehicle will pilot itself back to base at the touch of a button, which is especially useful if you lose visual contact with it. Fine-tuned gyroscopic control makes hovering and acrobatic maneuvers a breeze. This one's easy for younger users to handle, and is equipped with non-marring tires and a 3D rollover function. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drone cars, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Syma X9S keeps things interesting on the ground and in the air, featuring 6-axis gyroscopic stabilization and accelerometer remote control system that allows for nimble maneuvering with tight cornering on land and 360-degree eversions in flight. It offers beginner and expert modes and seamless fly-to-drive toggling, and it comes with a spare battery too. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Lihuang LH-X21WF features a number of colorful LED lights that allow for safe nighttime flying or driving. It also comes with a built-in camera that, while of relatively low image quality, can make operation more fun as you get to share the experience with others. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and boasts a 1-key automatic return and a headless mode for easy control. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, all-terrain wheels with a high ground clearance and 6-axis gyros with a 2.4 GHz controller make the FY602 the vehicle of choice for smooth sailing off-road and in the air. Spare props and a mini repair kit are included for fixes on the fly. This one's stable and responsive, with bright LEDs for visibility and interchangeable tires and propellers. At number 2, if you're up for fly and drive competition but don't have your heart set on an all-in-one device, the wowwee REV quadcopter versus race car matchup could be the ticket. Keeping an eye on the app-based action without losing control of the vehicles builds coordination skills. These are Bluetooth enabled for iOS or Android devices and feature multiplayer and virtual rivalries and trackless racing. And coming in at number 1 on our list, using 6-axis gyroscopic and accelerometer control for precise maneuvering, the jjrc H23 has all the right stuff to burn rubber or take to the skies to perform aerodynamic stunts. It offers 3 speed settings, colorful LEDs, and an automatic return-to-home function. It also boasts a headless mode for beginners and a seamless ground-to-air transition. It can be used indoors or outside. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for drone cars, or simply click beneath this video.